Hello my friends! In this video I'm going to show you how I composed one of my compositions called Sunrise. What inspired me to compose this music? What is a grand rondo form? Cooperation with Arnhem Orchestra, and after that challenges and solutions and funny moments. My name is PROROKK and this is my musical diary. Whoa! What inspired me to compose this track? I'm going to read it because I want to be very specific of that. So take a listen. This piece is very emotional and at the same time mystic, and it expresses different ways of understanding and grasping feelings and all their forms, similar to relationships. The story about real love and passion. First comes the first wave of heat, the first feelings. They are usually the true and correct ones, right? Then there will be a solar eruption and a geomagnetic storm of feelings, which has the task of driving away what does not belong here. For a long time, the sun will lack the energy for survival because it doesn't want to drive away this energy, so that the sun does not become just the red dwarf without energy. The sun will know where to search this energy when it opens for the right feelings. This is not the end, on the contrary. This is just the beginning. When I was writing this type of music, I followed grand rondo form. And what is grand rondo form? I'm going to tell you now. The first step when you sit in front of this beautiful piano is to think about the main tune A. It has to be very easy, very personal and memorable. And after that, we're going to write tune B, which have to be contrastic to the tune A. And after that, we're going to tune A. So A, B, A. And after that, main tune C. This is not very main, but it have to be contrastic too. And we're going back to A. It sounds a little bit confusing, but when you hear it in longer perspective, it's very beautiful. So let's go to the next step. The process of composing music consists from few phases. The first is idea, so you have to know what are you writing about. The next step is use your piano to sketch out those beautiful ideas. The next step is orchestration. You have to know the orchestra sections, and you have to a little tweak which part of harmony are going to which section, first violins, second violins, violas, cellos and basses. This is a string section, and because this is for string orchestra, you know, we need to divide it to those sections. After orchestration, we are going to rewrite it into the musical score for musicians to play, you know. The next step is book an orchestra, record orchestra, and after recording you have to mix it properly and master it, so you deliver the final music on Spotify or other platforms, YouTube. After that, you have to do a copyright registration, because you will receive unique ISRC code, which is the code of the track, which you're going to upload to Spotify and those services. And after that, release, the best part of it. We are happy now. And now the best part, and it's recording live orchestra. On this session I booked Arnema Orchestra, beautiful players, incredibly passionate about what they're doing. They know their craft really well. When you're working with orchestra, it's good to know few things before you're going to record your music. Always respect musicians, the conductor, and all the team surrounded around you, because they want to do their best to create something bigger than you think. And they know better than you what is possible and what is not possible. So take their advices and think about it. You have to know what you want the orchestra to sound like. It's not always about Italian words, sul ponticello and something like that. You need to express it in human language, which emotions you want to play. Because it's in humans that we know the emotions. And this is the most important. If you want them to make people cry, they can definitely do it. Remember. If it's possible, meet the team and musicians by person and go to this session. It's perfect. Always. It's always new experience. So in the future, you know how to write it better. Now you can use tools like Zoom or listen to. When somebody is in Asia and you're in Los Angeles, you can do it. And this is very nice. Challenges and solutions. If you struggle in writing music, take a break. Go out to the nature or visit your friends or your girlfriend and you will definitely come back charged and full of energy, and the ideas will start coming. A day before deadline, when I had to send all deliverables, I received an email to my inbox that my score couldn't be opened, and I was, that what? The first reaction in my head was, I'm completely fucked up. What now? And when I woke up, I started to investigating the problem, and there was, I think that I exported it in Windows bitmap or something like that. So always check, double, triple, quadruple check what are you going to send. So I started to rewriting all the score into the new format because there was damage or something like that. And after 6 hours I finished it and sent one copy of A3 format for the conductor and one A4 for the musicians. This was a very tough moment, so if you struggle, you have to be very strong in your mind. This is about mindset. My wisdom for you: never give up. Always write music, or always try to play if you're a musician. Because music is about passion and emotions. So people love it. Me as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have some questions, you can comment down below and I will answer them, and maybe in the next video. If you like my music, you can hear it on Spotify or YouTube or some other platforms. So, my name is PROROKK and this is Sunrise. Whoa!